Homestead with Jess. Today I'm going to do a quick tutorial on my body scrub and lip scrub. I ran out, so I figured I would bring you along as I make some more. So the first thing I have here is an old candle jar I just washed out, and I'm going to go ahead and use some pink Himalayan salt. I have about a half a cup here, and we're just going to do 50-50. So pink Himalayan salt and some cold pressed coconut oil. We'll fill this up. I'll make sure that's well incorporated. That salt will soak up that coconut oil. Add a little bit more. And the reason that I do this is because obviously it's natural products. You got the sea salt, the Himalayan pink sea salt, and you have the coconut oil. Our biggest organ in our body is the skin. So anything you put on your skin is going to absorb what you put in it. So for instance, if you're keto or low carb and you do a body scrub that has sugar in it, your A1C is going to spike. Your insulin is going to spike because you're absorbing that sugar content into your skin. So this is why I do the Himalayan pink salt and coconut oil. And that's it. Super simple, easy to make. You can make as much or as little as you want. This recipe here lasts me about 3 to 4 months depending on how often I use it. But this is great for gardeners if you work a lot in the garden and you love to run around without shoes on and ground. Getting all that soil off the bottom of your feet sometimes can be a challenge, but this works amazing. It'll get it all off your calluses and everything. So I want to thank you so much for following along with me here at Keto Homestead with Jess. And until next time, stay happy, healthy, and safe. Bye.